It's Mr. Hart here. We're going over this week's vocabulary. We are on Unit 3, Week 4 in Wonders. Our 8 vocabulary words are effective, example, identical, imitate, material, model, observed, and similar. Our first word is effective. The broom is an effective tool for sweeping up leaves and dirt. Effective means something that is effective works well. So effective means something that works well. An example, the broom is an effective tool for sweeping up leaves and dirt. The broom works well for sweeping up leaves and dirt. What is an effective tool for cutting paper? If you said scissors, great job. Our next word is example. I love how happy she is for eating her apple. Example. The apple is a good example of a healthy fruit. We probably use this word a lot, example. I know I do. Example is a thing to show what other similar things are like. So if I ever am teaching you a new subject or a new topic, I like to give you some example problems so you can see what something is like or how something is done. The apple is a good example of a healthy fruit. Can you name an example of a healthy vegetable? If you said broccoli or asparagus or Brussels sprouts, great job. There's also tons of other healthy vegetables out there. Our next word is identical. Mark and Matt look alike because they are identical twins. Identical. The definition, things that are identical are exactly the same. What makes two things identical? Being exactly the same is identical. Many pencils are identical because they look exactly the same. Snowflakes look identical, but when you look closely, you'll notice that they are actually different. Our next word is imitate. A robot can imitate the way Cody moves. To imitate, if you imitate a person or animal, you try to be like that person or animal. This robot can imitate the way Cody moves. What does it mean to imitate something? You might say copy or mimic. Our next word, material. Oh, that baby looks so cute with all the soft, cuddly blankets. A baby's blanket is made of a soft, warm material. A material is the stuff used to make something. The baby's blanket is made of a soft, warm material. Describe the material your shirt is made out of. My shirt is made of mostly cotton, maybe some polyester, but mostly a cotton shirt, nice and warm. Our next example is model. Kevin and I play with my model airplane in the park. Model. If something is a model, it is a small copy of something else. Kevin and I play with my model airplane in the park. Why does it help to have a model? I'm thinking of a model, like a model train. It's kind of cool to have a model train so you can see all the different parts of the train. We even have models of the Earth. We call them globes, and we can study those models to help us learn about geography and the planet. Observed. Meg and Joanne observed the fish and wrote down what they saw. When something is observed, it is looked at closely. What's another word for observed? Remember, if we're looking for a synonym for it, we can just take out our vocabulary word and plug in a new one. Meg and Joanne watched the fish and wrote down what they saw. Our next word is similar. My dad and I look alike, so we wear similar shirts. My dad and I like to look alike, so we wear similar shirts. Similar. Things are alike, but not exactly the same. So it's a little bit different than identical. It's very close, but identical is perfectly exactly the same. Similar means they are alike, but not exactly the same. We also can use the word synonym. Synonym and similar would be synonyms. And those are our vocabulary words for the day. I hope you have a great day and you learned a little something about our vocab. Bye-bye.